how to use quick share by creating a link and using that link to share it through a app to another Android device or even an iPhone that has those same apps as you are sending the link through. Okay, so you'll need to be signed into your Samsung account for this to work. And basically, your Samsung account to sign in, you'll use the quick panel access, tap on settings, and when you tap here, you'll go ahead and create an account if you haven't done so yet, and then you'll need to sign in order for it to create a link. This way it can save it up into the cloud settings and you'll be able to have those images, files, whatever it is that you have put in that link and sent to. So for example, let's say I go to the gallery app itself, right? I want to send a video and some photos to a friend who has one of these apps that I have, one of these messaging apps that I have. Okay, so I'll select them now. Then I'll go to share right here. And when I'm in this section here, I'll tap on quick share and then I will go down here. You'll see the option that says share link using, this one in the middle. And when you tap on this here, it's going to process for you and it's going to say preparing to upload. And what it's going to do is upload all these videos and photos that you have selected just now into that sort of like a website. It creates a website kind of thing in the Samsung cloud. And it will be a link where whoever receives that link in one of these apps that you have here that you're sending it through, once they click on it, they can view those items there. Okay, so this is the link here. You can choose from one of these apps, go to more, and then choose from any other apps you have on your device. So even if your friend has an iPhone and let's say they're using the Signal app, you can select the Signal app, find them as a contact, and send that link to them. And they'll have to go into their Signal app, open up the message that they got from you, and tap on the link, and they can view them from there. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.